Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a ghost effects to your video with only one click on CapCut. So if you are on CapCut, you'll probably know that the ghost effect is pretty trending in CapCut, and so many tutorial about this. And here I'm going to show you the easiest and quick way to create the ghost effect. So you need to just use the video effects. Okay, so in here you need to go to the nightclub category. Oops. Okay, and then on the nightclub category, find the astral effect. Click on that, and in here you can just adjust the speed and also the range. Okay, I'm going to go with 25. Click on a check icon and adjust the position or where you want the ghost effect to apply to your clips. Okay, so after that it will go like this. So that's pretty quick, right? I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye.